Hello friends, today I'll be sharing the classroom details with you. If you see here, I'll be sharing the classroom that we've made for C5 participants. Let me go back here. This is the first home page of your classroom. This first page is the stream page. Can you see the word stream written here? Now here on stream means whatever is being uploaded, whatever new is being done, that is being recorded over here, that is being announced over here. So we will not post any comments over here, but yes, whatever we post in your classroom, this is the classroom, whatever is being posted here is going to automatically reflect on stream. So I'll take you to the classroom. Now the classroom has been divided into 4 sub-themes. They are the CBB Mathematics General Material. Then you go down, you have CBB Mathematics General Themes, the lesson planning, that is the pedagogical practices, and CBB Mathematics Skill-Based Resources. Now let us go on to the first thing, which is the most important for you all right now for the CBP. Now here you have the workshop related resources. Like, for example, I'll share with you the first thing which we have put is the schedule of CBB Mathematics. Now, just see, this is the schedule. If I open this schedule for you, you can see it will have all details of the capacity building program. It will have it will have complete day by day, day by day, whatever is the schedule has been made, which master trainer is taking which session, what are the Google Meet links, what are their email IDs, what are their phone numbers, what are the resources that you'll be getting. Everything is going to be in this document that I'll be sharing with you. It has already been shared in the classroom. See, it's opening now. The CBB Mathematics Schedule Cluster 5. Now this has all the meeting links, the complete schedule of 26th, 27th, 29th and 30th. If you go down here, see. For example, if I take 27th, on 27th you have for secondary, the combined session is still to 12:30. From 12 to 12:30 we have the creative ideas of using Google Quiz, Microsoft Quiz in Mathematics Classroom by Seema and Sarika. Then 12:30 we have the presentation by the teachers. So the day-wise schedule is also there for the presentation in this folder. You can see on which days you have to represent. I go back to the classroom once again, and we go on to the next thing that has been listed is the list of the participants. We have it for secondary, for middle, that has already been shared by you, I think, in your WhatsApp groups. The instructions for joining the meet, that is also there, how you have to join the meet, what all things you have to keep in mind. You have to mute your microphones, you have to use earphones, you have to use preferably a laptop. Everything is here. Then we come to the CBP general themes. Here we have Rashmi ma'am has posted 2 resources here. There are 2 videos, teaching of in an online environment and the teaching mathematics in online environment. All both these you can see, and you can see the videos. They are going to be very useful for you. Then we come to the pedagogical practices, lesson planning. We are still in the process of uploading the lesson plan, the sample lesson plan, which will contain various online tools that need to be used, which include the videos that have been self-created, the online assessments in the form of Google Forms, maybe a crossword or maybe a Kahoot quiz or a Mentimeter quiz, or whatever you want to write, whatever you want to plan in your lesson, that is going to be there in the sample lesson plan, everything. Then you have the CBP Mathematics skill based resources. Now, from where you can learn how to record your screens, how to make a Mentimeter quiz, or how to make a Kahoot quiz, all this is going to be given here in the skill based resources. Right now, we have just see 3 things that have already been done in this crossword mind map. We have mind mapping by Taru ma'am. She's a master trainer from C5. I hope you all know her. So she'll be taking up this session with you, and she has already recorded the video and uploaded so that you can see it. Now, during the capacity building program, we expect that all of you have made the quizzes, made the crosswords, and you share with us. We'll be briefly explaining the procedure and then we'll begin the sharing process. Then we have the assessment tool. Assessment tools may we have the assessment using Google Forms, assessment using Google Form again by Sonia Malik ma'am, then the how to create a quiz, creating engaging online quiz by the Mentimeter, using Mentimeter by Sarika ma'am. So again, all these are here. You can have a look here. Then we have the screencasting. Again, in the screencasting session, we have three videos that have been uploaded. Screencasting on mobile using the DU recorder, that's by me. Then the screencasting using the A Power software, that is by Sunita ma'am, and the screencasting by Sarita Pawar ma'am. So again, these are the resources that we are giving you. You have to select which one you find is an optimum usage material for you and use it to the best of the benefit. So I hope these tools are going to be helpful for you. Whatever more is uploaded is going to appear on the stream here. I'll again take you to the stream. So whatever new is uploaded, like today in the morning, Sarika ma'am and myself, we had uploaded few things. So all they are listed here. Sarika Satija posted new material, Gitika Datta posted new material, Gitika Datta posted new material. So all this is written here for you all, for your benefit, you can see here. So what all is there inside the classroom is going to be put here also. Whenever you are going to be given some assignment, some assessment, some activity, again that is going to be posted here. You'll be going to your classroom and you'll be having the activities during the CBP in the classroom itself. So please ensure that you go through the classroom properly and hope it will be a good experience for you all. So thank you so much.